Go home this afternoon or this evening, I want you to look up Job 38, verse 22 and 23. This is on my logo. The reason for that is that as the Lord started dealing with me pertaining to the technology on water, after all, the Lord created heaven and earth, right? You ought to know how to be able to split the water molecule economically. When you look at Job 38, verse 22 and 23, it says this. It says, have you considered the treasures of snow, or have you considered the treasures of hell, which I have reserved against trouble, against battle and war? And this is where the Lord is talking to Job, asking Job this question. Now, the interpretation of these scriptures are as follows. Snow is the most beautiful part about water, is it not? You ever look at snow with the little snow crystals and know one snow crystal is the same as that of another? The treasures of snow is a characteristic and knowledge of water.